Hello students, this is Snigdha Verma again with you with the race question answer of lesson number 1, that is 3 questions. In our previous class we have done the question answer from 1 to 5 and today I am going to do from 6 onward. So come to the question. The sixth question, first part of the sixth question is, who was the bearded man? In the answer, the bearded man was king's old enemy who had sworn to take revenge on the king because the king had put his brother to death and seized his property. In the second part of sixth question, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Means कि वो उसने क्षमा क्यों मांगी? We can write, he asked for the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king had saved his life. In the seventh question, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? So we can write here, the king forgave the bearded man. He sent his servants and his own doctor to look after him. He also promised to return back the man his property. And the last question, what were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? And which answer do you like most and why? So hermit gave answers to the 3 questions. For the first question, that what is the most important time? He gave the answer that the most important time is now or the present time, because it is the only time when we have any power to act. And for the second answer, the most important person is with whom one is at a particular moment, because no one knows what will happen in the future. And the last question, ki what is the most important business? And the most important business is to do good acts to that person, because we are sent into this world for that purpose alone. Now the question is, which answer do you like most? You can write your own answer also and you have to give reason for that also, but I am writing this answer. This you can also write. I like the first answer the most because it is the only time when we have any power to act. So this way we have finished all the question answers, and now come I am going to do working with the language. This is the grammar portion of your book. So we will do here. First you have given the words in section A and meanings in section B. So we have to match them. So this way we can match here. First is wounded. Wounded means severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of the ground. And return, give back. This way we can do here. You have to write in front of the word the meanings, but here I am writing this way. You can write that way also. Now next question is, each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the word given in the brackets. You have given one example here. The word is promise and 2 blanks are here. According to the rule you have to fill here the correct form. So as the example, he has promised to help me, because there is has. So we can write the third form of the, we have to write the third form of the verb, that is promised. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? So the 2 forms of promise we have filled here as per the example. Now we have to do this. So you have given the word judge and you have 2 blanks you have to fill here. So we can write here, the judge. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. Judgment. The next, you have given the word differ and you have 2 blanks. You have to fill here. I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differed. ed लग जाएगा इसमें. Third form of this, they differed from one another over small points. The next is answer. You have 2 blanks. It is very simple question. To answer will come here. But will you accept my, again answer will be here. Answer as final. And the fourth is, you have given necessary. It isn't necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. The wise is here. The hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. And the next, decide. The committee has, because here is has, so with the has, have, had, you have to use third form, so we can write here decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. And next is forgive. So asking for forgiveness is as normal as willingness to forgive. So this way we have finished this first chapter, and that's all. So if you have any problem, you can contact to me on my phone number, which I have given to you in my previous class. And okay, thanks for watching the video, and prepare and study at home. Thank you.